Hello guys and welcome back to Beyond Toy Tale. This video gonna be about the nipper, and in front of me there is three nippers. Let me just introduce for each one. This one is the cheapest. It's kinda no brand nippers. Usually you can find it in an online store. And this one is a Tamiya one. And this one is the newest from God hand. And on the package it say for plastic only, as you can see here. And so for today's experiment, I'm gonna use this runner to see which one cut the thinness. Start with the cheapest one first. And for the Tamiya, you can see a different here. This one is from the cheapest one. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but maybe a little bit like this. Okay. This angle have. Can you see this too? It's kind of pull the plastic to the middle. It not cut the cleanness. And this one is from Tamiya. Have a clean cut more than the cheap one. And for the God hand, let's just compare to the Tamiya. This one is from a God hand, and this one is from Tamiya. As you can see, more clean of the cut than Tamiya, but it's still a new one, so it's kind of hard to compare. But it's still kind of good shape from Tamiya because I use it quite a lot. And this one kind of have to retire now because it's not holding up the edge anymore. And the tips for beginner: if you want to preserve the sharpness of your nipper, I recommend you using this. This one is for skull color sharp protection oil. How to apply it very easy. You just apply it like this on the edge. It's gonna protect the edge from rusting and keep the edge sharp for longer. As you can see, I apply it on Tamiya too. This part of the nipple is kind of rusting quite a lot, but on the edge is kind of holding up well. So that's a difference between not applying the oil and applying the oil on the same nipple. So if you want to use an expensive nipple, I recommend using protection oil. It's just a kind of short story, but one time I store my nipple like this, right? Normally I store my nipple like this, and I just reach out my hand and didn't look. I just put my point finger in the middle of the nipple and it cut me. And the scar is kind of healing up now. You cannot see, but if the nipple come with the bag like this, just put it in, man. Just put it in. It not only gonna prevent it from dying, but also protect your hand. So put it in the bag, please. Don't be stupid like me and cut yourself. In the conclusion, it's very simple. If you are new to the hobby and don't want to spend a lot of money on a nipper, you can buy a cheap one. It's gonna get a job done, but keep this in mind, right? The nipper gonna get dull way faster than the more expensive one, so you're gonna have to buy a lot more often. This one is like $5 or $6, and for these two is about $30. So you can see it's 6 times more expensive than this one. As I show in the video, the edge is still holding up even though I use this one more often than this one. if you don't want to spend a lot of money, the cheapest one obviously gonna be the winner for you. The more expensive one obviously gonna holding up the edge more and longer. So this is gonna be a short video. It's just a tips. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.